everyone. In class, we learned about plants, but do you know how carnivorous plants are different from other plants? Well, here are the 3 points. First, each carnivorous plant has its own technique to catch its prey. Second, the prey must be digested. Third, the carnivorous plant gets nutrients from the prey. Types of carnivorous plants. Did you know that there are over 630 species of carnivorous plants? Well, here you can see is the Venus flytrap. Here you can see monkey cup. Well, it's one type of pitcher plant only. And here is cobra lily, pitcher plant. Butterwort, bladwort, that it's like one carnivorous plant like underwater, and sundew right over here. But now I think you guys have a question. How do the carnivorous plants catch their prey? Well, they do this by 2 things: attracting mechanisms and trapping mechanisms. Well, the attracting mechanism, for example, a pitcher plant. A pitcher plant makes nectar inside it and it smells it. From far away, an insect would be flying and coming. It can smell the nectar. The sides of a pitcher plant are very slippery, so when the fly lands on it, into the nectar. And then the downward hair of the pitcher plant makes it impossible to climb back up. And then the pitcher plant digests the insects. Well, for trapping mechanisms, some sundews have long stacked tentacles, but a butterwort, an example, it has a sticky substance on its leaves. So suppose a fly is coming and this is one of the leaves. It comes and it wants to rest on the leaf, and then it's stuck. When it tries to fly back up, it can't. And then soon the butterwort is activated. And then the leaves start sucking up that nectar. And then soon you can see the dead fly on the leaf. Well, this is a Venus flytrap. So a fly lands here, and then the Venus flytrap shuts its mouth, and soon the mouth becomes its stomach. And then after a few days, the Venus flytrap will open itself up, and you can see the shell recovered. Well, now you guys think, oh nice, these carnivorous plants are good, but how to grow them? So, most of carnivorous plants need boggy areas of humidity. Sunlight, well, most carnivorous plants need direct sunlight. Feeding, do not fertilize your carnivorous plant, but you can fertilize it if your carnivorous plant is not even making any progress. Soil. The soil should not have any minerals. The water should be melted snow or distilled water. Well, now in class we learned about a life cycle of a plant, but how is the life cycle of a carnivorous plant? So you can see here is the Venus flytrap seeds, and then a young Venus flytrap, adult Venus flytrap, and dead. But do you know how it regrows? Well, when the Venus flytrap is about to die, there is one small little plant that has already started growing. When the main Venus flytrap is dead, another one starts growing on the base of it. Facts about carnivorous plants. Some plants are so big, 10 meters long, that they can digest a rodent. Some spiders weave their web on top of a pitcher plant to catch all the insects. The most amazing carnivorous plant is probably the familiar Venus flytrap. They're carnivorous plants plant underwater. Here are some references you can visit too. I read a book about carnivorous plants by Tony Camarelli. Thank you for listening.